The country had been declared in danger. The army marches on the capital. Among them were the Marseillais with their new anthem. The monarchy is voted out, but the Prussians are near, and the Duke of Brunswick, encouraged by Louis XVI, announces a terrifying declaration. The enraged mob returns to the Tuileries. This time there was to be bloodshed, followed by the September Massacre. Then the unhoped for. The National Guard blocks the Prussians, and it's the victory of Valmy.
Let us dare! Always let us dare!
Goethe, witness of these events, said, "Gentlemen, a whole new era in the history of mankind begins here, and it can be said, I was there."
Citizens, believe me. It is the truth I speak. There's only one choice. It is that of virtue, that's all.
Oh, no, there's only one choice. It's that of reason. For me, that's the only truth there is.
And the debate was started. Uncompromising virtue or reason. The convention, elected this time by unanimous vote, assembled the day after Valmy. The 21st of September, monarchy was abolished. The Republic declared the 22nd. 1792, the French troops defeat the Prussians and the Austrians. 1793, the victorious convention takes care of the king.
We are not asked to judge him. We're obliged to oppose him. He's opposed the people and been vanquished. I ask for his death.
Louis XVI must perish for our great nation to live. His death.
No, his banishment.
The final vote was a split. 360 votes for his death, 360 votes against it. Then it was Philip of Orleans' turn to vote.
Convinced that all those who have attacked the sovereignty of the people deserve to die, I vote for his death.
His death! His death! His death! His death! His death! His death!
And it was with that one vote, his cousins, the Duke of Orleans, that Louis XVI was condemned to death.
The gifts of your grace ineffable, and us with the death of your Son, who has filled us with hope in what we believe, make us attain and accomplish our desires by the resurrection of your own Son, who is the Lord, lives and reigns with you in the unity of the Holy Spirit, and has been for all time. And so be it.